So here is 15. Change those numbers. This is the exam 1 review, problem number 15. We want all vertical and horizontal asymptotes of our function g of x, and then we're going to use limits to justify the results. We want to sketch the graph using the asymptotes and the x and y intercepts. So I am going to start by factoring. Factor 2 out of everything in the numerator. Denominator factors into x minus 2, x plus 2. So my numerator, the only way to get squared, x squared, is that x times x. 10 is 2 times 5, and those are 3 apart. So there's my 2 and my 5. I end up with a positive 3x, so this is plus 5 minus 2 over x minus 2, x plus 2. Two different things here. The x minus 2's cancel. So we know there is a hole at x equals 2. We'll find the y value in a minute. The x plus 2 does not cancel. We know there is a vertical asymptote. At x equals negative 2. Okay. We can use our simplified version to find the value at 2. I get 2 plus 5 is 7 times 2 is 14 over 4. 7 halves. So we know we have a hole at 2, 3.5. We go back to our original equation to find our horizontal asymptote. I just keep going. We know that in our g of x, we have a 2x squared plus other stuff over x squared plus other stuff. So our horizontal asymptote is the ratio of those leading coefficients. We get y equals 2. I'm going to take this extra equals out. Didn't need that. So x-intercept and y-intercept. Our x-intercept is at, it's where y equals 0. And so I'm going to set my function equal to 0. And this is the simplified part. Now, in order for something to equal 0, it doesn't matter what the denominator is at all. So when x is 0, y is negative, or sorry, other way. When y is 0, x is negative 5. To find our y-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for x. I get 10 over 2, which is 5, So when x is 0, y is 5. And so didn't really leave myself a whole lot of room to graph, so let us shrink all this down. I'll make a little more room for a graph there. Okay, we have got let's see, we got to go -5 over here. We're going to same distance over here. So we have got a horizontal asymptote at y equal 2. We have got a vertical asymptote at x equals -2. I know I have got a y-intercept at -5, 0. I've got an x-intercept at 0, 5. And I have a hole at 2, 3.5. So my graph is going to approach the asymptote. And hit through these benchmark points.